Imagine typing, like, a single sentence and watching a photorealistic version of yourself deliver it in fluent Mandarin to your entire global team.
Yeah, that's not science fiction anymore. It's a real workspace update dropping this week.
Right. So today we're diving into a stack of release notes and tech briefs to see how these tools are actually working under the hood. Welcome to a quick July 4th holiday edition of Daston's Deep Dive.
Glad to be here.
As we get ready to celebrate America's 250th anniversary, our mission today is to give you a post-holiday competitive advantage. We're exploring some major workflow updates designed specifically to optimize daily operational efficiency for commercial and public sector teams.
Exactly. The goal is to give you a few quick hits to, mull over during the long weekend. That way you can hit the ground running on Monday.
Okay, let's start where every major project starts, which is the raw data. Looking through these tech briefs, Google Sheets just got a solid visual upgrade.
It did, yeah.
It now seamlessly imports 3D bar charts. So if you're pulling files from Microsoft Excel, they won't flatten out into 2D anymore.
Which is great, but visual upgrades only go so far if the underlying math is broken.
Exactly. Okay, let's unpack this. Visualizing data is great, but when the math breaks, is the new Gemini formula fixing feature basically a built-in math tutor?
It really is. And I mean, instead of just throwing a generic error code at you when a calculation breaks, Gemini actually explains the core issue in plain English.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, and it gives you a corrected version of the formula to accept with just one click. This really removes the barrier for novices.
Wait, so how is it actually figuring out what I meant to do? Is it just, guessing based on my broken syntax?
No, it's much smarter than that because of its massive context window.
Yeah.
It isn't just looking at the single broken cell.
Right.
It reads your column headers, the surrounding data structure, and even the historical trends in your sheet to deduce your actual intent.
That is wild. That basically saves your data analysts from spending 3 hours a day hunting down a missing parenthesis.
Exactly. It keeps seasoned analysts in their workflow without needing to search external forums for help.
Okay, so we have the pristine spreadsheet, but raw data rarely wins over stakeholders.
Right. Once your data is fixed, how do you effectively share it?
Exactly. And the notes showed Gemini in Google Slides can now generate a full, multi-slide, editable presentation from a single prompt.
Which is a huge time saver.
Yeah, and it pulls directly from your existing Google Drive content to perfectly match your brand style.
Yes, but standard slides are almost becoming the old way of doing things.
Well, here's where it gets really interesting. What if standard slides just aren't enough?
Right, the big leap is Google Vids. They've integrated their latest AI models, specifically Veo.3.1 and Gemini 3.1 Flash, to drastically upgrade their video avatars.
Okay.
We're talking 53 preset avatars, covering everything from photorealistic humans to 3D cartoons. And it supports 24 different languages.
Let me pause you there, because I've seen AI avatars before. They usually look like glitchy video game characters with dead eyes.
Yeah, they can be pretty bad.
Right. If I'm sending a video update to a massive public sector agency, how does this not look entirely unprofessional?
Well, that's exactly why the Veo 3.1 integration matters. It's their most advanced video generation model to date.
Okay.
Meaning it actually maps human microexpressions to the generated audio, which gets rid of that creepy robotic look.
That's a relief.
Plus, using a feature called Nano Banana Pro, you can build a custom avatar of yourself with over 30 expressive voice options.
And the release notes say you can literally just type a text prompt, upload an image reference, and direct that custom avatar to physically walk around and interact with objects in the video.
Yep. The AI preserves your specific appearance and voice the whole time to maintain brand consistency.
That is a massive communication upgrade.
It's a massive shift in how we tell stories at work.
Yeah.
But to your earlier point about enterprise teams, the catch is you can't just turn this on blindly.
Right. There's always the IT hurdle.
Exactly. If you want these tools, first check your admin console. The new slides and vids features work out of the box, but
the sheet stuff needs permission.
Yeah. If you want that AI data debugging in Sheets, your IT admin actually has to flip the switch to enable Gemini for Workspace first.
Got it.
The good news is Google has uncapped the promotional higher usage limits until July and August of 2026.
Oh, nice.
So right now is a perfect time for large teams to adopt these tools and really try to push them.
You can find the Help Center links in the description below to navigate those specific admin steps.
Highly recommend utilizing those links.
Yeah. But I want to leave you with a provocative thought to chew on alongside your hot dogs this weekend.
Oh boy, here we go.
If an AI can instantly debug our complex data and then physically present it as a custom, walking, breathing avatar of us speaking 24 languages.
Yeah.
How will this completely redefine what a presentation means in the next 5 years?
It certainly forces us to question whether the value of a presentation is in the slick delivery or in the original human insight behind it.
It's a wild frontier. Make sure to click the web links in the description to read more about everything we covered today.
There's a lot of good stuff in there.
We want to wish you a very happy 4th of July from the entire team at Daston Corporation.
Happy 250th.
And remember, you can always contact Daston's Google team to learn more about implementing these features. Enjoy the long weekend, and we'll catch you on the next deep dive.